Saw blades are one of the most important tools in a woodworking arsenal. The right saw blade can make the difference between a clean, precise cut and a ragged, uneven mess. So it's important to choose the right blade for the job. In this video, we'll review the different types of saw blades available and recommend the best blades for specific tasks such as ripping, crosscutting, plywood, and melamine. We'll also talk about how to choose the right blade size and curve for your saw. Number 1. WEN BL1040 10-inch Saw Blade. This blade boasts a 10-inch diameter with a 5 by 8-inch arbor, making it compatible with a wide range of saws. Whether you're dealing with tough hardwoods or softer woods, the WEN BL1040 can handle it all. Its 40 carbide tipped teeth are designed for general-purpose wood cutting, giving you the versatility you need. This blade fits most 10-inch miter saws, job site saws, and table saws, so you can easily integrate it into your existing setup. Number 2. Dewalt DWA-171460 Circular Saw Blade. The Dewalt DWA-171460 Circular Saw Blade is crafted from high-density tungsten carbide, which means it's tough, wear-resistant, and built to last. Whether you're slicing through hardwood or softwood, this blade can handle it with ease. This blade features a tough coat anti-stick coating, reducing friction and preventing material buildup. This blade is optimized for both. Number 3. Overpeak 10-inch Table Saw Blade. The Overpeak saw blade is crafted from tungsten carbide, making it tougher and giving it up to 5 times longer cutting life compared to other blades. The blade has 6 laser-cut expansion slots and 4 laser-cut stabilizer vents, which trap noise and vibration and keep the blade cool. The Overpeak blade is suitable for ripping wood, cross-cutting wood, plywood, and laminate. It has 90 teeth, which makes it a good all-around blade. Number 4. OA-BRES Table Saw Blades. The OA-BRES table saw blades are made of durable premium alloy steel, with hardened and sharper construction-grade tungsten carbide teeth. This means that they can withstand heavy use and still produce clean, precise cuts. The blades have a thin kerf, which means that they remove less material as they cut. The blades can be used in corded and cordless circular saws, miter saws, and table saws. Number 5. Freud D1060X 10-inch Saw Blade. One of the standout features of the Freud D1060X is its Tico high-density carbide with titanium. This specially designed carbide ensures both longevity and a flawless finish on your woodworking projects. It comes equipped with a non-stick perma shield coating, which acts as a protective shield against all these issues. Thanks for watching this video on the best saw blades for woodworking. We hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Tools Query channel for more woodworking tips and tricks. We release new videos every week. Thanks again for watching.